Hello everyone, thanks for stopping by my gardening channel. Getting caught up on the garden work. Oh yes, we're planted. Finally. So we have a first row here of tomatoes. These are my castraludos. I think I have 10 of those. And I'm using mulch barrier this year. First year I've ever tried mulch barrier. I had bought this, I don't know, last year or the year before. Was going to use it, and it's been sitting in the garage. So I thought this is the year to try it. I'm tired of weeding. What I can say is this is the Home Depot brand. It would be excellent for a mulch bed, for your flower garden. Not something you want to use out here in your vegetable garden. It is way too thin. I think it's going to work for this year, but for next year I need to get that heavy mill, thick plastic mulch, or the mulch bed fabric. I think I'm going to go and get some of that anyway. And in my walking rows, I'm going to put down the heavy fabric. So at least for next year, I'll have a good start on it. And I'll just buy another roll at that point. Right here is 100 feet. So I've got 100 feet of plastic down. It was 250 rolls. So I'll just have to remember next year, when I review this video, to buy another 100 foot. Like I said, my first row here is all castraludos. These are the bicolor tomatoes, and I have a plane going overhead. Nobody had told the pilot that I was doing a video. So everything's in. All I did was I put an X in the fabric, used my hole digger that I have, the little hand hole digger, made a hole. I put some 10-10-10 and calcium down in there and planted it in. So these are all in good shape. Next row here are my pink honeys. These are the Russian style tomatoes that I'm trying this year for the first time. Still need to go back in and do my stakes. I think I only have 6 of these that worked out. Somewhere around 6. So they're healthy, they're looking good. The next row over are my brandywines. I'm pretty disappointed. The brandywines are half the height of the others. I don't know if I had a bad batch of seed, although all the seed I bought this year was new, but that does happen. So these are all brandywines, and I stuck in one down here at the end. I didn't think I had an extra, and I didn't make another hole. So we're just going to leave that area open. And it's right behind the apple tree anyway, so I'm not sure how much sun it'll get. But this is my row of brandywine. And the last 4 here were 4 extra plants that were the castraludos. So these are 4 extras. Got them right here between the apple trees. So that's what I've got back here in the garden. I have 4 peppers I'm going to put in pots. I have 3 cherry tomatoes I need to put in pots. And that's about it. I think that's going to be it for the garden. So we're going into Memorial Day. Hope everyone has a wonderful Memorial Day. Hope everyone is able to get out of the house. I know we're anxiously ready to get out of this house. So that's the plan. But I wanted to get the garden in first. So thanks for stopping by. Stay tuned. More videos to come. Have a great day.